Hence, unveiled, making sense of this handy phrase. Hey learners! Today, we're going to dive into an intriguing English phrase, hence. Have you heard of it or come across it in your readings? If not, or if you have but are still uncertain about its usage, this video is perfect for you. Hence is an adverb that essentially means, for this reason, or because of this. It's often used to show the cause and effect relationship between two statements or ideas. Another way to think of hence is as a synonym for words like therefore or so. Example, I was tired. Hence, I went to bed early. Here, the reason for going to bed early is being tired. While hence is mainly used to show causation, it can also be used in a few other contexts. 1. Time, referring to a future point in time. 2. Example, the project will be completed 2 weeks hence. Meaning, the project will be completed 2 weeks from now. 3. Place, a bit archaic but used to mean away from here. 4. Example, get hence. This is an old-fashioned way of saying, go away. However, it's important to note that the most common usage remains the cause and effect relationship. Just like with any word or phrase, there are common mistakes people make when using hence. 1. Redundancy. Avoid using hence with words that serve the same purpose, like therefore or so. 2. Incorrect. I was hungry, hence therefore I ate a sandwich. 3. Correct. I was hungry, hence I ate a sandwich. 4. Position in the sentence. Make sure hence is used at the beginning or in the middle of the sentence to establish the connection. It's less common at the end. 5. Preferred. I forgot my umbrella, hence I got wet. 6. Less common. I got wet hence. Understanding and effectively using hence can elevate your English language skills, making your statements clearer and more concise. We hope this video has shed light on the many ways you can incorporate this word into your vocabulary. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep reading, keep writing, and most importantly, keep learning. Until next time,